Former Richneck Elementary School teacher Abby Zwerner took the stand this morning in connection to the 2023 incident where she was shot by a student. This comes as former assistant principal Ebony Parker faces day 2 of her criminal trial. Madison Schlegel has been following this since the start. She joins us now with the latest.
Just moments ago, we heard from the former teacher who was shot, Abby Zwerner. In the case, she was testifying today, and we heard both prosecution and defense ask her questions. Now, the way in which she was answering questions here did become an issue. They said that they were trying to make sure that they weren't allowing hearsay into the court. So the judge was being very careful to make sure what questions were and weren't allowed to ask Zwerner. But on the stand, she did talk about the moments in which she saw the 6-year-old student with his hands in his pocket, and she recounted the moments in which she saw out of the corner of her eye the student raise a gun and then make that shot towards her. She also described the moments about how the other children in the classroom also saw what happened, on top of the fact that she relied on the help from a teacher across the room to help those students while she tried to get help for herself. Now, the defense here was questioning on whether or not Zwerner did make any actions personally to make sure that the 6-year-old was separated from the rest of the students. Zwerner said that personally, she did not make any of those movements. After testifying, the judge did tell Zwerner that she was able to leave court. As her and her attorney were leaving today, this is what her attorney, Diane Toscano, told us about the charges.
Well, I can tell you it's been 3 years at this point, but since the day I met Abby, her account of what happened has never changed. And also what's never changed is the lack of support that the city of Newport-News has given its teachers.
We're told that Zwerner is to be on standby for the rest of the trial in case she's needed back for questioning. The next witness on the stand is going to be the reading specialist, Amy Kovac. In Newport News, Madison Schlegel, 13 News Now.
All right, Madison, thank you for that. And be sure to stick with us right here on 13 News Now. We're going to have complete coverage and analysis of the trial as, again, day 2 gets underway. You can tune in on air and on the 13 News Now streaming app.